During the peak holiday season, many sellers are earning significant revenue, ranging from 4 to 6 figures monthly, by offering trending products on Etsy. If you're running an Etsy shop, it's crucial to jump on these high-demand items as early as possible, especially in Q3 and Q4. Today, I'll cover the top products that are perfect for this time of year and can potentially boost your sales. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe and like this video so you can stay updated on similar content as you prepare for the upcoming holiday season. Now, let's get straight to the first product on the list. Product number 1. Mugs. Mugs are one of those products that never go out of style on Etsy. People are always searching for mugs and they make fantastic gifts, especially during the holidays. One niche that works exceptionally well is creating mugs as gifts for family members, such as mom and dad mugs, or ones for grandparents, aunts, and uncles. Personalized mugs for kids are also a huge hit, with some sellers making 5 figures by selling unbreakable mugs for children. These mugs are great not only for the holiday season, but also for birthdays, camping trips, or family events throughout the year, making them an evergreen product. A type of mug that is gaining popularity is the insulated mug. These come with a clear lid and are made of stainless steel, making them more premium than ceramic or enamel mugs. Insulated mugs are perfect for people who need a portable, spill-proof option for their coffee or tea, such as coworkers or family members who commute regularly. Because insulated mugs are higher end, you can charge more for them, making them a profitable product. For sellers, I recommend offering multiple types of mugs, such as insulated enamel and ceramic mugs, in separate listings with the same design. This strategy allows you to test what sells best and appeals to different customer budgets. Some buyers may prefer a lower-priced ceramic mug, while others may be willing to pay extra for an insulated option. By diversifying your product offerings and understanding the current trends, you can tap into the holiday shopping frenzy and potentially see impressive sales figures on Etsy this season. Product number 2, ornaments. The second product on my list is ornaments, a staple in the print-on-demand space that consistently delivers strong sales, particularly around the holiday season. Sellers often see significant spikes in revenue, reaching as high as $20K to $30K per month during the holidays. But what many may not realize is that ornaments aren't just for Christmas. They're actually a near evergreen product, with sales trickling in throughout the year. Printify is one of my top recommended print-on-demand companies due to its low production fees, which allows sellers to keep more of their profits. If you're just starting out, Printify also offers a premium membership that further reduces production costs, giving you a pricing edge. You can even try it for free for 30 days. If you haven't tried selling ornaments yet, I highly recommend it. When it comes to niches, several themes tend to perform exceptionally well for ornaments. New homeowners often look for personalized ornaments to mark the milestone of buying their first home. Another popular niche is pet owners, particularly those celebrating their first year with a new dog. Newlyweds also frequently purchase custom ornaments as wedding gifts. These niches are particularly hot and can give your ornament listings a competitive edge. If you're considering ornaments for your shop, it's a great idea to focus on personalization. Customers love to buy custom, sentimental gifts for themselves or their loved ones, especially during the holidays. Now, let's move on to the next product in the lineup: candles, a lucrative Etsy product. Candles have become a highly popular product on Etsy, with some sellers earning as much as $20K in revenue each month. While it's important to note that this is revenue, not profit, candles still offer significant profitability potential, especially with careful pricing and marketing strategies. For example, let's break down the numbers. A typical candle might sell for $17 without offering free shipping. Based on a profit margin of around $5 per candle, selling 1,600 units a month would result in substantial earnings. However, a more profitable approach would be to price the candle higher, around $22, and run flash sales once or twice a week to drive additional sales and conversions. At that higher price, you could make over $900 in profit, which would be a significant monthly return for this product category. It's also worth mentioning that some candles come in amber jars. However, if you choose to sell candles in amber jars on Etsy, be cautious about using the term amber in your listings. The word amber is associated with jewelry, which is restricted on Etsy, and this can lead to your listing being flagged or removed. By avoiding this term in your descriptions and titles, you can prevent such issues. Candles are not just for the holiday season either. They make wonderful gifts for various occasions. be it for coworkers, friends, or family members, and can be positioned as a decorative item or a thoughtful, personalized present. There are also numerous niches to tap into, like offering specific scents or targeting certain customer groups, making candles an excellent addition to your shop year-round. Product number 5, personalized blankets. Another product that shines during the holiday season is personalized blankets. In particular, minky velveteen blankets are a favorite, and many sellers do extremely well with this product, seeing a surge in sales as the holidays approach. Personalized blankets often become top sellers, and some shops see their monthly earnings double or even quadruple during this period. If you're selling personalized blankets, it's highly recommended to order a sample, especially if you're using vibrant colors. Sometimes, the colors on the final product can look different from the design you've created. A physical sample not only helps ensure quality control, but also allows you to take actual photos of the product, which can make a big difference in attracting customers. Additionally, for colder months, you may want to offer Sherpa blankets alongside minky ones. Sherpa blankets are thicker and cozier, making them more appealing during the winter season when customers are specifically looking for warmth. Many sellers find that offering both options helps meet diverse customer preferences, with some people opting for lighter blankets and others seeking heavier, more insulating options. Like candles, personalized blankets are also evergreen products, meaning they sell well throughout the year. Even without focusing on Christmas in your SEO, this is a product that consistently performs, especially when personalized for occasions such as birthdays, anniversaries, or even as thoughtful gifts for loved ones. Product number 6, family or group matching t-shirts. Another product to consider is family or group matching t-shirts, which are especially popular during the holiday season. Families often buy these for Christmas photos, winter vacations, or Thanksgiving gatherings. These shirts are typically designed to bring everyone together in a fun, coordinated way, adding to the festive spirit of the holidays. Overall, candles, blankets, and matching t-shirts are all excellent additions to an Etsy shop, especially during the holiday rush. By targeting these products and incorporating personalization options, sellers can capitalize on trends and create high-revenue opportunities throughout the year. During the holiday season, family matching t-shirts become a sought-after item, particularly for gatherings like Thanksgiving or festive family events. These matching shirts are a favorite for family photos, vacations, and special occasions around this time of year. Families love the idea of coordinated outfits that bring everyone together in a fun and unified way, making these products a reliable choice for sellers. If you're interested in offering matching t-shirts on your shop, there are a few specific t-shirt brands and styles that work especially well. These are all high-quality, comfortable t-shirts that customers tend to favor, particularly for group events. Among these, the Comfort Colors C1717 stands out, especially during the holidays. One popular color for this season is watermelon, a vibrant, lighter red that appeals to many buyers looking for festive apparel without going for traditional dark reds. Ivory is another popular option, often preferred over white, making it a great alternative for customers who want something softer yet still neutral. When listing t-shirts, it's important to avoid overwhelming customers with too many color options. Limiting the choices to 3 to 5 colors per listing helps reduce decision fatigue at checkout, increasing the likelihood of a sale. You can always include a color chart to show the full range of available colors, but keeping the selection simple within the listing can make a big difference. Product number 7, jigsaw puzzles. Another product that is gaining traction, particularly in the personalized gift category, is jigsaw puzzles. Personalized puzzles featuring custom images or designs have become a huge hit, especially for occasions like engagements, weddings, and family-related gifts. Customers love the idea of turning memorable photos, such as family portraits, pet pictures, or vacation shots, into puzzles, which adds a personal touch and makes for a unique gift. The trend of custom photo puzzles is especially strong, with some sellers earning 4 to 5 figures per month, even outside of the holiday season. If you're considering entering this market, personalized puzzles are definitely the way to go. Offering custom designs or adding creative touches to the images, such as vectorizing or using AI to enhance the photos, can set your products apart from others in the Etsy marketplace. Quality is key when it comes to puzzles, especially in terms of color vibrancy. Customers expect the images to look clear and vibrant when assembled. Providing a sample in your listings, showing the final look of the puzzle pieces, can help build trust and show the quality of the product. Product number 8, holiday greeting cards. While holiday greeting cards may seem like a product with lower profit margins, there's actually good potential for profitability, especially when sold in bundles. Many customers prefer to purchase greeting cards in sets rather than individually, as they need to send cards to multiple friends or family members. Bundling cards not only increases the perceived value, but also justifies shipping costs, as buyers are more likely to accept a $5 shipping fee for a bundle rather than a single card. Offering bundles of cards, particularly with customizable designs like family photos or personalized messages, can increase your profit margins while giving customers what they're looking for. Though selling single cards may yield lower profit per sale, bundles help offset this and can provide a better overall return. For those skilled at crafting meaningful and visually appealing designs, holiday greeting cards offer a wonderful creative outlet, and adding custom elements makes them even more desirable. In short, family matching t-shirts, personalized jigsaw puzzles, and holiday greeting card bundles are all excellent product ideas that can generate significant sales during the holiday season. These items tap into the growing demand for personalized, thoughtful gifts, making them valuable additions to any Etsy or print-on-demand shop. Bulk greeting cards, a profitable option for Etsy sellers. For those skilled in crafting heartfelt messages or beautiful designs, creating bulk greeting cards can be a highly profitable venture on Etsy. While some may overlook greeting cards due to perceived low profit margins, selling them in bundles increases profitability, especially during holidays and special occasions. The demand for custom and unique greeting cards is strong, making this a great niche for those with a flair for writing or design. Product number 9, custom wrapping paper. A standout product that consistently performs well on Etsy, especially during the holiday season, is custom wrapping paper. Despite its simplicity, the profit margins on wrapping paper are impressive. For instance, one Etsy listing generated over $86,000 in sales with a 45% profit margin. Even after accounting for production costs and shipping, wrapping paper can yield significant profits. Custom designs for various occasions like birthdays, baby showers, or weddings present a wide range of opportunities for sellers to tap into. One example of a successful wrapping paper shop sold over 4,000 units, resulting in more than $70,000 in revenue. With or without free shipping, the profit margins remain robust, making wrapping paper a low-cost, high-return product to add to your Etsy shop. Its versatility and steady demand make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to expand their product range. Product number 10, cutting board. Another highly lucrative product is cutting boards, especially custom or handmade options. One Etsy seller reportedly generates around $180,000 in monthly revenue from cutting boards alone, with lifetime earnings of nearly $6 million. These products are popular as gifts for weddings, housewarmings, and holidays, and handmade cutting boards can fetch premium prices due to their craftsmanship. For those in the print-on-demand space, glass cutting boards offer a way to compete. Some Etsy sellers have been estimated to earn over $200,000 per month from glass cutting boards alone, with a profit margin exceeding 50%. Glass cutting boards can be sold for $55 to $75, with profits of around $40 per board, even with free shipping included. This makes cutting boards one of the most profitable items in the print-on-demand market today. Both Printed Mint and Pick the Gift offer cutting boards through their print-on-demand services, providing an excellent opportunity for sellers to enter this high-demand market. Given the impressive profit margins and growing popularity, cutting boards are a must-consider product for Etsy entrepreneurs looking to scale their business. That wraps it up, guys. For more videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Happy holidays, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.